Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video, I will teach you guys on how to run a Rust program. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you so much for watching. For my fellow Filipinos, maraming salamat po guys sa inyong walang sawang panonood at pantangkilig sa channel ko. Kung wala kayo guys, hindi din lalago ang channel ko. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. Rust programming language is one of the emerging programming language that is used in a wide variety of applications, from web application, system programming, and enterprise application. It was developed by Mozilla Foundation. Okay, so here we have a very simple hello world. This is my first Rust program. Okay, so how do we run this? I'm using Visual Studio Code. Let us go to our command prompt, cmd. By the way, I'm using Windows 7. It will work also in other version of Windows. I will go to drive D. The folder is Rust. CD Rust. To run and compile a Rust program, our file name is hello.rs. So Rust C main compiler space hello.rs. When I press the enter key from my laptop, from my keyboard, okay, it will generate an executable file, dir *.exe. We have here hello.exe. We simply type hello from our command line and then press enter. Okay, it runs. Hello world, this is my first Rust program. The size of our file is 5 MB. Now, if you want to run in Visual Studio Code, you make sure that you have code runner here. Right click, select run code. Okay, it display also hello world, this is my first Rust program. Okay, so okay guys, so this is the end of our tutorial video on how to run Rust program in Windows operating system. The same thing in Linux or Mac OS operating system. Thank you so much guys for watching. I hope that you have learned something new in this tutorial video. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.